about sophistry before coming to this retreat. I knew it was a system for personal growth that used a somatic practice, but I really didn't know what to expect. Staying in such an amazing place, eating amazing food, and meeting everyone here was wonderful. But what I learned about myself was really valuable, and it was more than I could ever have imagined.
The experience in going to a retreat, like away from your home environment, and especially in a place like this, is kind of amazing because it really allows you to take a step back from your day-to-day and everything else that kind of occupies you, and you're not even thinking about it, and you can really just be in that space.
Last fall, I took an online class, which gave a lot of theory and some practicum, and I love that. The intellectual part of me went, oh, here's a theory I can follow. But being at the retreat, it does really feel like I'm beginning to embody the practice.
You're here for you, I'm here for me, and we're here for each other. And it was just perfect that way the whole week, knowing that I was showing up for myself and there for myself, and I had all the room and support that I needed to be there for me, and that all of us practicing that, we're always there for each other too, and it was a perfect balance.
In the steps, there is so much healing, so much connection to humanity, our humanity and everyone's humanity. And this is such a gift.
The somatic practice was so unique. I've done other somatic practices before, but this was more fluid, more flexible, and at the same time, it had a lot of theory behind it. I usually have trouble letting go of my self-consciousness, but the environment here was so safe. It really was actually pretty easy for me to just relax and let go and just express myself.
Through the practice, through dance, through sound, through movement. In that dance, you learn things about your body and about your feelings and about even your mind and all the weird stuff that goes on up there. And to just sort of, in that movement, separate and see it and witness it, and at the same time be held.
It's like I have this toolbox that's just stuffed with all these resources that I can use that we get to practice when we come to a workshop or a retreat. It's really fun. Even though I've known Sarah for years and I've been doing it like continuously, I always learn something new, and it's always a benefit. It takes a week out of my life. Okay, fine. It costs a little money. Okay, fine. It's so worth it. So anybody on the fence, just do it.